In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a countdown widget on iPhone. So before I begin this video, please subscribe to my channel. Now what you want to do is go to your App Store and then you want to search for countdown. Basically, you can literally install any app you want or that you like the most, and then basically once it's installed you would long hold, click on the plus icon at the top left, and then you would find that app right over here. If you don't see it, just click on search widgets and find it that way. Then once you find the app, just click on it or like any other, select your style, add widget, click done on the top right, and that's it. Now it's added and it's in the top left of your screen. If you want to remove it, long hold, remove widget, remove, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also if you're still having issues, please let me know in the comments down below.